If you were to do an internet search on this topic, you'd find that Wikipedia says the following. Arguably, the table saw is thought by many to be the center of a woodworking shop. Some estimates suggest that 80 to 90% of all woodworking projects call for the use of a table saw for at least one step in any project. However, as useful as this tool is to the user, any woodworker must approach the use of this tool with a thorough knowledge of its use and a very healthy dose of respect for the potential of serious injury if it is misused. Our goal in these lessons is to make you very aware of the proper use of this tool and how to operate it safely. Let's get started.